Hello, our people. Now, well done. We don't come back again with our bonge information. When we say they hit brain, because as the yam they hot now, so they eat and quick. As they hot, make they give out to now. So today, many information they reach us say, Governor Obaseki he don't change to PDP, but we never get the correct information. But they say it don't change as they hear them, as they get them from the right source. And they say yesterday he go see Governor Wike for River State, and he can go see Governor Okowa for Delta State and other PDP governors. And they don't arrange on how he will take change from APC to PDP, because APC said they don't want time again. According to APC screening committee, they say the qualification not the balance, say it defective. So basically, to say not be the qualification to enter for the first tenure. Why they not tell us say they defective? Because you know what make godfatherism continue for Edo State. We be say Oshomole don't fight against them before. So why now we can be say they share money to all those godfathers? Now they can say qualification not they correct. Meanwhile, the University of Ibadan, the rest try to tell us on Saturday say all the certificates when Obaseki get everything correct. I don't know why the APC say the thing not correct. Say may they come ask them, may they give them proper information regarding the certificate. And because so say Obaseki say he not be a troublemaker. In him himself now we can see governor. He not like to talk too much. And he not like to carry camera they work out to go to check project. And we do some live interview for our station yesterday, and we interview people for Benin City to see how whether now Obaseki they like pass or Nigerian they like pass. So this one could be like return match between Barcelona and Manchester United. When we say 4 years ago, Nigerian they PDP contest against Obaseki, but this year now for the election when they come up by September, now Obaseki will go PDP, where Izeyemu will be APC flag bearer. So people could talk say why Obaseki they very desperate. Why you not just stop me just go to enjoy money? But other people come to say we not just live on like that. People come to complain say what about Philip Shaibu, the current deputy governor, how he will do them? Because PDP don't give a condition say if we give you ticket as the governorship aspirant for our party PDP, you know if you carry this guy come where they call him Philip Shaibu. So we never know what will happen to Philip Shaibu, because PDP will want me to see bring their candidate when you say will be the deputy governor than say he just carry Shaibu come back again to be deputy. They say they don't want it like that. So also many APC members don't defer to PDP, and controversy don't they a lot of issues, a lot of discrepancy don't they every year. People they cry, so people they happy. Set of APC, because APC don't get too fashion now for Edo State. It gets someone be EPM when this session of those when disqualify Obaseki. Well, other ones maybe say they like what Obaseki they do, and they don't want make Obaseki just go like that. And some of the interview guys they can't be. So people say even if Obaseki rule for 100 years, they will be happy because now we can see government say they work where some buildings they when Ogbomudia do remain. Nobody don't touch them for the past 30 years. But when Obaseki enter, he do everything. And they say, why is it Yamu again when they tell us say na thief? Why how that one could work? So now be the question what would they ask? We don't support any political party, we not do any political party because we did very neutral. But we they try to get what they really happen, what they play for the state. Because we don't want a situation whereby they're going to shoot gun. That country can't they unrest and they can't declare as state of emergency because I don't have very cool Please.
Yes, I am not
So,
an old-style
who listen
politician.
to
I
wetin
represent
Obaseki talk
a new
regarding
direction of politics in Nigeria.
godfatherism and
Politics
sharing
that is
of
based
glory?
on facts and
So,
truths,
Moku
not
listen.
lies and innuendos. In life, everybody gets helped. Everybody gets assisted. And when you assist people, I believe you're doing it for a purpose, a good purpose, right? The person you talked about, he had no money when he left Labour to contest. We knew what we did to make him governor. I sacrificed 8 years of my life pro bono, didn't collect a kobo, to serve him in Edo and serve Edo people. Today, we know what we have built because of where we started from. So when you talk about betrayal, I believe the biggest betrayal can be when people betray a cause, when they betray an ideal. That is the greatest betrayal of all. It's like betraying God. When you say to God, this is what I stand for. No man is God. Let the people lead. And then God gives you power and you turn around to do the exact opposite. There is no greater betrayal than that. So when you talk about betrayal, let us be very clear. So I want to put it on record that yes, I'm grateful. He assisted me just like I assisted him. I know the sacrifices we made to make him national chairman. So what are we talking about? I think we should look at the future. The key important thing, the reason why we went to see our national leader, why I went to see him, is because I believe in the party. I don't want the party torn apart. I'm a man of peace. I believe that even when you go to war, you eventually seek to secure peace. For me and my colleague governors, we cannot see a party we built destroyed. We cannot see a party that's a ruling party be so weakened. And whatever it will take to secure peace, to secure harmony in the party, we are prepared to. I am prepared to make. That is why I joined my colleagues to go and see the leader to assure him that.
Yes, so my people, when I don't see the video, and he talk say Obaseki help him, and he see help Obaseki. Say when Obaseki they come about 16 years ago, when we say nobody wants support him. He say he they one of the people when we say they one of the people we say they support him, put her inside that position as a governor that time. And he when he even coming, he can't even they work underground. He now one of the senior economic team will make things better for Oshomole time. Say he no even collect money at all. Say who they betray who? He say everybody they help each other. As Oshomole help her, na so he see help Oshomole. So the APC aspirant we get now, when you basically contest for the APC in has primary election on the 22nd of June, we get Odubu and Ezeyamu. Who you think say will win? Who you they want give? Ezeyamu or Odubu? We gonna just try. We gonna leave una comment. We gonna read them. We gonna know waiting they happen, because this fight, you know, go easy. Because Ezeyamu say he they ready to serve. He say Edo State must move forward, whether good or bad. Say nobody feels stop am because he know they contest. And people come even they talk say you be pastor, you reading pastor, and you know you see person who want progress, you know allow him to progress. We do not think for that matter. We gonna drop in a comment. We could see the reaction, and also we gonna also listen to waiting Oshomole talk as well. Say they do fantastic job. I'm not listening.
And you justified our, not in terms of your findings, but in terms of what you're able to amplify. That you have eye for very important details which could lead to certain outcomes if people decide to dispute our actions. this is it. This is the final appeal level. What is left, having received this report now, the NWC will meet and formally go through the report and make his decision one way or the other.
Yeah, Shomole don't talk, you know. He say the National Working Committee, NWC, say they work very, very well. Say they know what they do. Say they know their job well. Say they not allow intimidation, make them talk what not supposed. Say those qualifications when Obaseki get, say all of them are fake, fakey. My people, how not think? We now leave na comment. Even when Obaseki go meet Buhari, go tell Buhari say he want contest for the election. He give Buhari give her a handshake and he smile, they smile together. But he don't know what the Buhari get. So as the thing called the hot, because I don't feel just that like this, make I look like Mumu. Make I adjust, make I see with, make I press one or two buttons. Let it fly go River State yesterday. Go meet Wike. No say Wike na rugged man, swear, because they don't try remove this man. He no agree. He know how to press button. See no agree, nothing they happen. And since Obaseki go visit him yesterday, everywhere come scatter. Internet come boss. Because what be the plan of that man? You should say that man feel win. Obaseki feel win if they give him PDP ticket. If he beat his yamu, we could not live in a comment. We could know what we think. If he really beat her, if he win, Obaseki people according to what would they hear, people like him well. So we'll listen to another video when Channel TV do with
platform. So for us, we are also at this time liaising with our people. We are talking to our leaders and the stakeholders in the party, and very soon in the next couple of days we'll be able to come out with a position, and we will let Nigerians know.
Mr. Honorable Ioa, can you confirm to us where the governor is headed? Is he leaving the APC? Is he going towards the PDP because of the meetings with the PDP governors that we have seen today?
Sharon, you only have to be here to know what is going on in Edo State. Since this news broke some days ago, it's not as if we didn't expect this. You know, the governor also mentioned it that he knew the process was already adjourned. Immediately, the committee that was supposed to look at certificates, qualifications, and they started asking questions about how he's supposed to run his state. You know that the process was already adjourned. So time will tell. And in the next couple of days, like I said, we will know where we are headed.
Let me go to Honorable Donald Oshekena from our Abuja studio. You work closely with the national chairman of the APC, Adams Oshiomhole. But from what is happening on the ground, it does look like some of the friends that you have in the APC are not happy with what has happened to Governor Godwin Obaseki. The big question is that if he supported him at a time earlier when he ran for the first term in office, why not now?
Thank you very much, Shehu, for having me this evening. Well, to say that some persons are not happy with the governor, Governor Obaseki, is not very correct. As a matter of fact, before I start, let me sincerely express my deep sympathy to the governor and his followers in the way and manner he's been is running around right now. You could hear my very good friend, Engineer Hine, saying that he was not sure he's coming to the party. As we speak, Godwin Obaseki cannot conveniently say he's in APC because by Article 9(5) and Article 21, A and D, I can conveniently tell you that Godwin Obaseki can no longer address himself as a member of APC. That is one. Two, to say the comrade national chairman was with him in the past, and now what has changed? The truth of the matter is that the governor of the state, Governor Obaseki, is still our governor until November 12th. Still our governor. He has isolated himself. Let me use the word isolation because we're in COVID-19 era. He isolated himself. Immediately he entered governance in Edo State. He isolated himself and fed the politicians, those who helped him to become the governor and no longer needed in the governance of the state. And you cannot do that. The political party that produces you, or that if a political party produces a candidate, that candidate becomes a product of that party. And when that candidate wins that office, the office itself, though he may be occupying it, belongs to the party and the people of that state. So when eventually Governor Obaseki became governor, he fed the likes of the national chairman, the political stakeholders in the state, and of course, even persons.
My people, I hope so I don't watch the video. Now so we see him because the battle not be here. It will hot well because people they APC just divided into two now. The other side John Obaseki, the other side John Oshomole. Let me say now two elephants one fight now. Now two big elephants now one fight. You know, say when elephant fight, two elephant fight, who they suffer? Now the trees and the ground, now they suffer. So who be the trees now? The trees now the people. We don't know one or two. Maybe say when the time come, Oshomolo say now he get power, he can't must win. And Obaseki will say, no, I want to show Oshomolo say, I must continue. The good work of Edo State must continue. People of Edo State need to enjoy dividends of democracy. Now, according to Obaseki, now he stand for. You know what maybe say, they just carry money come from Abuja at the end of the month. You just share all road with the jaga, everything with the scatter. But when you also know say, is it Yamu? When you want contest now? Now almost more than 4 times, now 5 times, now he don't contest. You know they win. He say he must enter by force, by fire, by force, my people. You know say we not be politician, we not know book. Now so we see a ratio. Mukuna just they leave comment. Mukuna they rain comment. And Mukuna they share our video. And we want to also thank you for all the like and view what they get. And the phone calls what they get from all over the world. Share with your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, so that they will hear the Ogbonge story where they come from this channel, DJM TV. So that you will get updates from us as soon as we upload video. You'll hear that for your phone. Bam. And when you click on the notification button, just make sure say that bell, that small bell, when they're on your right hand side, click on. You make so that when we upload latest, you will just see them as alerts on your phone. Because we'll they give a gist. And we'll even during election, we'll they live everywhere. We'll they give an update. Now so we see my people. Now goodbye for now.
DJM TV.